Hey guys, what's up? In this video we're going to reveal to you how you can react or allow your space members on Loom to react to your video recordings and meetings, for example via sending emojis and by leaving comments. So let us get started. Head over to your Loom account in the web version, navigate to your video library, select the video here by left clicking into it, and then you will see the presentation here. So you may play it by clicking into this button, and your team members, for example, or space members, will be given the opportunity to also leave reactions here below, provided of course you share the given video within the given space here on Loom. You will find the list of spaces here on the left hand side and at the bottom of that left sidebar. So what you want to do, guys, is there will be these emojis here, and your team members will be given the opportunity to leave a reaction like this at the given timestamp. You will see also the user who reacted by hovering your mouse over the given reaction. Then there are the aforementioned emojis like smileys or comments by clicking into this button, and then the comment would be posted at the 5-second mark. You may also, or users may also mention someone by using that mention button, for example the video editor or someone else, and these reactions and comments will then be displayed along the timeline so that you as the video author or editor or creator can navigate to it and check out who has left or posted the comment or reaction. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.